Hey there, history buffs! Ever wondered about the man behind that triangle theorem you memorized in school? Today, we're diving into the life of Pythagoras. Pythagoras was born around 570 BCE on the island of Samos in ancient Greece. He was more than just a mathematician, he was a philosopher, a scientist, and even a mystic. Imagine a man who combined numbers with spirituality. That's Pythagoras for you. Around 530 BCE, Pythagoras left Samos. He traveled widely, absorbing knowledge from Egypt and Babylon. These travels shaped his unique blend of science and mysticism. He eventually settled in Croton, a Greek colony in southern Italy. There he founded a religious movement known as Pythagoreanism. This wasn't just about math, it was a whole way of life. Followers adhered to strict rules, believing that numbers were the essence of all things. Now let's talk about his most famous contribution, the Pythagorean Theorem. You know, a2 plus b2 equals sine c2. It's fundamental to geometry and has countless applications in science and engineering. What's incredible is that the theorem was known to Babylonians long before Pythagoras, but he was the one who got it into the spotlight. But Pythagoras' interests went beyond triangles. He believed in the concept of harmony of the spheres, suggesting that planets and stars moved according to mathematical equations, creating a symphony of cosmic music. It's a beautiful idea that connects the universe to the harmony in music. Speaking of music, Pythagoras made significant contributions here too. He discovered the mathematical ratios corresponding to harmonious musical intervals. Ever heard the term octave? That's Pythagoras' work in action. Let's not forget his influence on philosophy. Pythagorean thought laid the groundwork for Plato and Aristotle and ultimately Western philosophy. His ideas about the immortality of the soul and the transmigration of souls were revolutionary for his time. However, not everything was smooth sailing. Pythagoras and his followers faced political opposition and were eventually forced to flee Croton. His later years remain somewhat mysterious, but his impact is undeniable. So, the next time you come across a right triangle, remember Pythagoras. He was a pioneer who saw the world in numbers and sought to find the harmony in everything. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories. Until next time, keep exploring.